Hi guys, if you want to secure your computer from any external USB hard drive, you can follow below steps. Let's run how we can restrict removable media from our computer laptops. In start menu type run and hit enter. Now in run menu type gpet.msc and hit enter. Let's do it. It will open up a group policy. Okay. Now in the left bar, go to User Configuration and explore Administrative Templates, System, Removable Storage Access. Let's do it. This is User Configuration, Administrative Template, System, Removable Storage Access. In the main container, enable the following. Removable disk, deny read access, removable disk, deny write access. Let's do it. Yeah, enable this and now enable removable disk denied write access. Okay, now let's connect and try to open the USB drive. Okay, access is denied and the drive is not accessible now. Now, if you want to remove the restrictions and want to access the USB drive, you can follow the following steps again and select disable read and write access. Let's do it. Okay, removable storage, deny read access, disable, okay, deny write access, disable, okay, close this, and you can see we are now able to open the USB drive. Thanks for watching.